Hi, I'm making this video to help you be a little more familiar with this bag sealer. This is my first time buying one. The reason I purchased it is I like making snacks, cookies, and I wanted a way to seal the bags to keep the ingredients fresh. Now, you see, it's called a bag sealer. But I found that it's called also, it's called I made some notes and I'm looking for, it's called an impulse sealer. Also a heat sealer. But from my understanding, they're all the same thing. It's just called different. It's called a bag sealer, a heat sealer, or an impulse sealer. And it's a one piece. And this is what mine looks like. It's very cute. It's pink. And it also comes with this in the box. This comes in the box also. Now, from my understanding, the purpose of both of these objects is because, let me pull it over. It's because this part over time will not work as well as it's once did. So this is put in the box to replace this. And if you can see the little metal part, that's what this is. That little metal part can be replaced. Also, the brown material can also be replaced. You just take those screws loose, or that screw loose, and these screws on the side. There's screws on the back side also. These screws can be removed, taking the old piece off, and replaced with the new. They both can be replaced. The material and the little metal piece that you see attached to the screw, that can be replaced. That's the purpose of this whole little package, to replace over time. I don't know how long it'll last, but it's to replace this when the heating element no longer works as well as it did when you bought it. Now, it also has this knob right here. It says that it's the sealer, meaning you adjust the heat from 1 to, I think it is 8. And this is the model number. PFS 200. Now, there's a button right here that I don't know the purpose of yet. Let me get it. And see, this card, the electrical card, is attached. It doesn't come off. So you'll never lose it because it doesn't come off. It never comes off. And once again, like I said, I like the color. Now, this is important because I've seen some on YouTube that are like in the 30s of dollars and higher. But look at this. I only paid $12.99. That's what I paid. And this was in the party section at Hobby Lobby. I purchased this at Hobby Lobby. And I only paid $12.99. So, having said that, I'm trying to think of some other things to tell you. I did make little note or two. Oh, there's an indicator light also. Let me show you that. The indicator light is right there. Once it has sealed the bag, it will go off. And from listening to other videos, it says hold it there for maybe 2 or 3 seconds to let the bag cool off, or whatever object you put, whatever bag you put under it. Let it cool off and then release. Open this up. But this presses down. It's not a lock. You have to hold it manually so it doesn't lock in place. You press it down, you hold it there until that indicator light goes off, and test your bag to see if it has sealed the way you'd like it to. From my understanding, you have to play with it. So what I have already done, let me show you. I have a snack that I have been eating. I cut the bag from the top, and I said I will use this to test it out. This will be my first test to see how good it seals. And I should have plugged it up already, but I haven't. Let me see if I can slide it over and how long it takes to seal. Now, that's something that I have not seen in other videos, how long it takes to heat up. So I just plugged it in, and I am going to turn my dial to 4. I'm gonna start off with 4, and I hope